Today, we're stripping away all the guesswork to give you the exact tools you need to start creating with absolute confidence. So how do you make your story heard through all the digital noise? Honestly, it's the ultimate creator challenge. Think about it. Every single minute, literally millions of pieces of content flood the internet. Without a solid plan, your ideas just become, well, static. But here's the secret. Narrative frameworks act like a giant acoustic amplifier. They help your specific voice cut right through the ether. Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1, Timeless meets Digital, the evolution of storytelling. Now, if you feel like you're starting entirely from scratch, don't worry, you absolutely aren't. We're actually tapping into a massive legacy of human communication here. For millennia, storytelling lived in oral traditions around a campfire, right? And it focused entirely on cultivating a personal voice and a deep, deep emotional connection. Fast forward to today, and modern digital media hands us global platforms and glowing screens. But here's the thing, digital storytelling doesn't abandon that ancient campfire. It simply plugs that timeless human psychology directly into the internet. Moving right along to Section 2, your narrative toolkit, frameworks for structuring your story. I know, sometimes the word framework sounds super intimidating, maybe a bit too academic, but think of these as just a friendly toolkit sitting right on your desk. And this brilliantly illustrates what we have available. You've got the 7 elements to ensure compelling content, the classic 3-act model, and of course the famous hero's journey. But listen, if you're a novice, just forget the complex stuff for a minute and grab the story spine. This is absolutely crucial. It's beautifully simple, once upon a time, every day, until one day, because of that, until finally. See what it does? It forces you to establish a normal world, introduce a bit of chaos, and then resolve it. Along with the ABT, the and but therefore method, the story spine is literally the perfect starting place to instantly give your ideas momentum. So how do we take a framework like the story spine and actually put it to use? We follow a highly reliable 4-step creation process. Step 1, catch that spark of an idea. Step 2, apply your structural framework. Again, lean heavily on that story spine to give that spark a sturdy skeleton. Step 3, iterate of experiment. Read it out loud, test the flow, see how it feels. And step 4, arrive at your finished digital product. You see, it isn't magic, it's just a reliable, repeatable process you can trust. Which brings us to Section 3, Maps, Not Restrictions, Navigating the Terrain of Storytelling. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it addresses a super common fear. A lot of novices think that using a strict formula will somehow stifle their creativity. But let's reorient our thinking here. Frameworks are basically like maps. They show you proven ways to navigate the terrain, but you still choose the destination. You aren't cheating the creative process by using a map drawn by generations of successful storytellers. The framework just handles all the heavy lifting of navigation, which actually frees up your brain to focus entirely on your creative vision. So the crucial point is that frameworks actually protect your authenticity. Think of your personal voice as trying to cross this massive, chaotic sea of digital distraction. A framework builds a sturdy bridge over all that noise. It ensures your unique, authentic message is carried clearly and powerfully, landing safely and directly into the minds of your audience. All right, on to Section 4. The power of practice, iterating your way to success. Look, all the theory in the world won't help if you don't just start. And let's lower the stakes right now, okay? Your first digital story is probably not going to win an Oscar. And honestly, that is completely okay. Your very first attempt is really just about testing your toolkit. Try writing a quick script using only those strict once-upon-a-time story spine prompts. Just feel out the rhythm. Then maybe on your next project, mess with the formula a bit. Add a surprise twist. Iteration is where you really grow your instinct for structure, pacing, and emotional engagement. And the absolute beauty of these frameworks is how they branch out into literally any medium. The exact same storytelling routes you use to structure a simple 2-minute mobile video are the exact same routes anchoring massive interactive narratives, transmedia campaigns, or even emerging tech like virtual reality. Technology is going to continue to evolve at lightning speed for sure, but these core principles remain rooted deeply in human psychology. So master the structure now, and you effectively future-proof your communication. Which leaves us with one final, kind of provocative question. You have the roadmap, so what story will you tell first? You understand the steps, and you have that trusty story spine right in your back pocket to bring your ideas to life. The only thing left to do is to take that blank screen and make an impact. Grab your toolkit, trust your unique voice, and just start creating.